Hello everybody and welcome back to a super quick tutorial that I'm going to show you today. I have just almost finished editing this photo and I've noticed that a lot of my photos have kind of a red tint to the skin, which is normal. We shot this when it was pretty hot, and so it's normal that there's a little bit of red in the skin, and also due to dodge and burn, if you darken an area it can also get a little bit warmer toned. And so we're going to fix this little issue today. Under a minute I'm going to show you how to remove this red hue here in seconds. Alright, so watch this. Let's go to corrections and then hue and saturation. So I'm going to zoom in here on the areas that I want to work on, click on this little icon and select the color that I want to remove. Then I'm going to drag up the saturation and the hue. It looks crazy, but let's trust the process here. And then these little outer controls, you just move in to the middle until there's only the area that you want to work on selected. This can take like a little bit of playing around. There we go. I think that's good. Then let's zoom back out. It still looks crazy. Trust the process again. We're gonna tone down the hue and the saturation again, so now the photo looks normal. And what we're gonna do now is we have selected our color that we want to work on, and the easiest way to change this is to bring up the brightness. So it would look like this. This is, again, you can see what areas you're working on, but I'm just gonna bring it up like 2 points and then also saturate it a bit, and then you can also play around with the hue, making it a little bit less red. Let's go with like 7. I think that's good. Maybe 8. Okay. And then you're just gonna fill that layer out, because as you can see the lips here are also affected. So you're gonna fill that layer and then go in with a white brush and paint over all of the areas that you want to have less red. And this is what the final result looks like before and after. And as you can see, we've removed all of the reds. You can go a little bit maybe less bright, or you can also darken the area if you want. I'm just gonna go with, let's go with 15. I think that's good. So this is how you can remove red tint from skin in seconds. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions about any tools that you want. Let me know in the comments and I'll do a video about them. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos. Bye!